Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In today's video, I am going to share you with an amazing website where you can learn any programming language. The amazing feature of this website, there is no need for you to download any software and run it on your local machine. Run any program online on this website and you can explore more skills using this one. So let's see practically how you can do that. So the website name is w3school. Just write in Google and you'll get the first link. Click on the first link. You can see this is the home page of w3school. It provides the 3 different tabs on its homepage like tutorials, where you'll find tutorials for almost all the languages. It can be any programming language, web building, server side, artificial intelligence or HTML, CSS. You will find the code, exercises, references, material, everything whatever you need for learning any programming language. When you will go to exercises tab, you can see there are dozens of exercises, some quizzes, some courses. They also provide the paid courses, but most of them you can do and try with the free one. So you just have to log in. Now log in. Cool. Now we have logged in to our page. So you can take the course in these many programming languages. For example, I want to do for Python. For example, I want to learn Python. So it will show you that Python tutorial has 132 chapters, and it also mentions you at least exactly which type of thing you are aiming for. For example, I am looking for Python strings. Let's do that. So once you click that, it will pop up you with all the list that it has for Python on right hand side. For example, it first give you an introduction about Python strings and then have you assign a variable, multiple strings. Example, there are so many ways. So try it for yourself. So you can see there is no need to install the software. You can easily run it online. This is the compiler that we have to just run, and you will get the output on a left hand side of a window. For example, if I just change here, hello. So let me recompile it. Can you see? It is so easy and simple. So in this way you can go through each of the programming concept that you are aiming to learn and understand. And they also offer exercises at the bottom of each concept to make your concepts more clear. So this is for Python. You can similarly go for CSS. For example, I click for CSS. So it will tell you what is the CSS, how you can benefit, then start learning. Then there are different examples related to CSS. In this way, friends, you can easily learn any programming language and enhance your skills for a particular programming language. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video.